Oh yeah, out here at the Belcher side of Oak Mountain, chilling out by the lake. Some of God's great creation right here, and it doesn't get much better out here in Alabama. I'm gonna do a ride down Rodeo Clown, the new trail that Bump built, Shelby County, and some other trail builders built some crazy trail out here, and I'm gonna see what it's all about. While I'm at it, I'm gonna tell you all about some cool events coming up. Fall in Alabama is mountain bike season. That is true mountain bike season. The weather's amazing. It's really predictable as well. Not too much rain. The trails are always primo. Yeah, that's when I started hosting the Hammies for adults. But now we've got some fun little Hammies races coming up, namely at Lakeshore Foundation. We had a huge turnout last year. All kids could ride. Every kid with every ability came out. What a blast that was. Aaron Scheides helped put that one together. Him and I normally have ridden trails out here like this on tandem bikes before. Another one, I'm gonna race the Coldwater Trail by Lifetime. I'm just doing the 35 mile. I'm training for that. A little bit of climbing to do. Right after that, we head to Montesano for the Hammer Fall Fest. That's gonna be so epic. We have done this for the past 3 years, where we do a fun little Hammies race on their kid trails. But this year, something unique. I'm gonna show you all how to jump like this down at the new flow trails at Montesano. It's gonna be epic. I'll be doing that with Donovan with Southeast Shreds. And he is a certified coach. And so all gonna be awesome. Wobble, 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 wobble. Probably need to take that baby to Cahaba Cycles. Oh, and get that repaired. All right, here we are, rolling into Rodeo Clown. We're gonna see what this is all about. I'm now a father of 3, so I may not quite send it as much as I maybe would have a while ago, but we'll see. Woo. Woo. I guess this way. Here we go. Oh, baby. Then I heard Oakass, a super cool long format race that Bump puts on, is going to be out here on the Belcher trails for some of their distances that they're racing. Get out there and support the mountain bike community. Tons of events that you guys can race. Really got to know what's on the back side of these things. Oh! Step on, step off. Woo! At least when I can see the backside, I'm gonna send it. Ah! My legs are shaking. Here we go, here we go. Send it. Tabletop. Whoa. The rocks I'm not quite so sure on. And I'm gonna keep my front wheel high on the doubles that I don't quite send. I'm out of breath. Woo! legs are jello. Pro downhill. Woo. Okay. Hop. Woo. There we go. Step on, step off. Glad I didn't jump that too far. Woo. Roller, roller. Little gapper. Wow, that's a big gap. Whoa, whoa. Oh, baby. Now the pedal up, I believe. And usually it takes a year or two to figure out the right way to do it. But we will be coming back to Montgomery Whitewater, which is the best facility in Alabama for outdoor activities. They've got zip lines and mountain bike trails and all kinds of other fun stuff. So we'll be taking the little Hammies back to Montgomery Whitewater in November. Stay tuned for an announcement on that. Hearing it here first. So plenty of great events coming up in November, October, and September. Kind of went backwards there, but it's going to be epic this